You know the routine. You open a dozen tabs, scroll through endless listings, track every application in a spreadsheet, and repeat. It is a manual grind that consumes hours of your day. Today, we are going to replace that entire manual process. In the next 6 minutes, we will build and deploy a fully autonomous AI recruiter to do the hunting for you. We are using Claude Managed Agents for this. Most AI tools stop processing the moment you close the browser tab. A managed agent runs continuously on dedicated cloud servers, executing tasks whether you are at your keyboard or not. To actually reclaim your time, you need a system that persists in the background. Our command center for this setup is the Anthropic console. You do not need a monthly subscription to use it, just standard API credits to cover the specific actions the agent takes. The interface is split into 5 functional areas: Quick Start to describe your goals, Agents to manage your workforce, Sessions to review their work, Environments to set boundaries, and Vaults to store your passwords. Navigating these 5 tabs allows you to direct an automated, secure digital workforce. We start by giving the agent its instructions. I will tell it to search LinkedIn and company career pages, score each role based on my background, and draft a cold email for the strongest matches. As I type, Claude works behind the scenes. It takes my everyday language and compiles it into strict instructions. It then automatically connects those instructions to the necessary capabilities, grabbing the web search and text analysis tools required to execute my request. You do not need to know Python or API routing to do this. Your ability to describe what you want clearly is the only syntax you need. Before we let the agent loose, we need to address security. Pasting your personal passwords or API keys directly into an AI prompt exposes sensitive data in your logs. Instead, we use the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. It acts as a secure bridge, letting the agent request external data without holding master keys. Those keys live encrypted in the Vaults tab, pulled dynamically for the exact millisecond a tool is called. By keeping credentials separated from the prompt, the agent can interact with the live web safely on your behalf. Now we hit run. The system prompts me for 2 final details: my professional background and my target location. I will enter growth marketing and AI startups. Immediately, the Sessions notebook populates. This is the execution trace, logging every thought, click, and tool call the agent makes in real time. The first thing it does is hit the web. It executes targeted searches across multiple live job boards looking for open marketing roles. When it finds a listing, it scans the unstructured text on the career page and isolates the specific technical requirements the employer is asking for. This radar chart overlay compares your background metrics against the strict requirements from the job listing. The agent uses this quantitative comparison to grade your fit, and for high scores, drafts an outreach plan using signal-based hooks pulled from recent news. Watching the notebook log these actions step by step removes the mystery. You can verify exactly how the AI arrived at its conclusions. When the agent finishes, the output is accurate, but it is formatted as a complex markdown table. I need plain text to easily copy it into my email client. To fix this, I simply tell the agent in the chat to restructure the output as plain text, with 1 job per paragraph. The agent processes that feedback and updates its own system prompt. It bakes that formatting rule into its permanent instructions for the next run. You work with the agent conversationally until it behaves exactly how you want. Let's look at the final result. We have 6 fully written emails, Day 3 follow-ups ready to go, and bracketed placeholders telling me exactly where to insert my specific metrics. Because we fixed the formatting, I can highlight this entire block of text, copy it, and paste it straight into a Gmail Compose window. Because this agent lives in the cloud, you can schedule it to run every morning. While you are making coffee, it is sourcing roles, scoring fit, and writing your outreach. In 6 minutes, using plain English, we deployed an automated system that handles hours of daily administrative work.